How to extend open work permit in Canada. To extend your open work permit in Canada, follow these steps. Determine eligibility. Ensure you apply at least 30 days before your current permit expires. You may be eligible for an extension if you hold a valid open work permit, such as a post-graduation work permit, PGWP, or a bridging open work permit, BOWP. Gather required documents. Prepare digital copies of necessary documents, including your current work permit, passport, and any supporting documents relevant to your situation. Create or log in to your IRCC account. Access the IRCC online portal to start your application. Complete the application form. Fill out the IMM 5710 form to apply for an extension. Ensure all information is accurate and complete. Pay the application fees. The total fee for extending an open work permit is typically $255 Canadian dollars, which includes a $155 Canadian dollars work permit processing fee and a 100 Canadian dollars open work permit holder fee. Submit your application. After completing the form and paying the fees, submit your application through the IRCC portal. You will receive a confirmation once your application is successfully submitted. Maintain your status. If you apply before your current permit expires, you can continue working under the same conditions while your application is processed under maintained status. Await a decision. Processing times may vary. Monitor your IRCC account for updates on your application status. By following these steps, you can effectively apply to extend your open work permit in Canada. That's it. Thanks for watching.